Blazer explosion! Thank goodness you've come! Well, just check. It's a polytron penis! I'm going to remove the hot facts line if you keep sending me these, I swear! I don't love willies. Yes, I'm sure I don't love willies. Look, can we talk about the emergency, please? Yes. Deep laser explosion! Thank goodness you're here! Somebody has been stealing the city's cats and placing them in trees! Bonsai trees!
I'll be honest with you, I thought the trees were a lot bigger and a lot further away from me. I have two eyes, damn it! This mask. I knew I should have paid the extra for a decent seamstress. Ah, yes, but have you considered... Get them, Peer Arcade Machine! No! Aha! No one can escape the grip of... Oh, well, that's just typical Peer Arcade Machine. Oh, bum. Ah! Stop her! I'll get you next time, Team Laser Explosion!
Thank you, Burly Arcade Worker Man. You saved the day.
No? Give me!